So today I want to introduce you to our work-in slim case. This is an always-in case. Insert a 11-inch Chromebook. We have a safety strap where you slide the device. We have these corner anchors that are elastic. They'll always stay on the corners to keep the device securely fit. The safety strap, and then we use our side anchors to securely grip to the side of the screen. You can close it like this. We have YKK Zippers that are guaranteed for life. The outside of here material is ripstop fabric. On the bottom, we have non-slip feet that run across the entire bottom of the case. So when the student's at their desk or at home, it's not going to slide when it's in the open position. We have an ID pocket as well. We have a retractable handle. Very easy access for the student just to grab and go. Provide an optional pouch, and that's very easy to put on. And that allows us to slide that in just like this. Now we have an always-on pouch. In addition to the work-in case line, we have a work-in Folio. The difference between this particular product and the work-in slim is that there is no zipper on this particular offering. We still have the pillow bumper that wraps around. As you can see, when you close it, we have a flap that covers the top. It just velcros over like this. All right, today we're going to demonstrate how protective the work-in slim case is. And as you can see, the case is fully intact. We'll open it up, and we will look at the Chromebook, and there's no damage at all. That the device doesn't come out at all. And for more information on this particular device or case, please visit us at MAXCases.com.